Hi guys, it's SweetTooth1967 doing another unboxing. Thanks for coming to my channel. Today we're looking at the Lynx Black collection, and that's the 2-pack. We're going to do an unboxing of that. Firstly, it's a 250ml black body wash and 150ml black body spray. Alright, so I've got this given for Christmas. Let's have a look what's in the box. Alright. So, first thing you can see, it's got like a grip there for gripping in the shower. Pop a bit on that's what it looks like. Nice clear, nice and fresh, very masculine. It says on the back, a refining fragrance, purifying your body and mind. Get the right level of clean for all your parts with Lynx Man Washer. So there you go. Lather side, scrub side. Right, okay. So that's that one. Onto that one. And this is the Lynx Black body spray. Alright. So it's got a square top there and a rather nifty spray. Very trendy with this lynx and the black and the circle there. Is there a spray cap or is it a there you go, very nice. So you turn the top and the cap comes out, very nice, and then just turn the back. So that's really good. Never seen that before actually. So turn that up. So there you go guys, that's a look at the Lynx Black men's what's it called, men's it's not a limited edition, is it? It's just a two black editions. So if you fancy getting that, the actual body spray smells really nice, very fresh, as does the Lynx Black. Of course, it is a good name, Lynx. So you know, you pretty much guarantee. But I've smelled that as for you know. I'm going to use that next time in the shower. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you next one.